there. So I'm going live. Hello everyone, am I audible? Am I audible? On behalf of Intelletics, I've come up for the third practice session, third paper solving session on Geography grade 10th ICSE, because as you all know there is Geography paper tomorrow that the students are going to appear for. So on behalf of Intelletics, we are trying our level best to help all the ICSE students of 10th standard. So here we start with question number 1. Refer to the image and answer the question that follows. So this is what is the image. So this is the image it looks like. And the question is, the area colored green north of the river in the given section indicates dash. Now of course here you can't see it green, okay, but you have to assume that it's green. I'm sorry because there's nothing which we can do it. And your options are A, forests, B, woodlands, C, only A, D, both A and B. Answer me for this question. So the area to the north of the river, now you can find out where the river is and then accordingly you can answer this question. So the one to the north of the river in the given section indicates dash. Come on, answer. I'm waiting for your response. You can just see north of the river and answer. And the correct answer for this question is D. That is both A and B. See the green color, it indicates the wooded and the forest areas or orchards and scattered trees. So it includes both forests as well as woodlands. Now we go to the next question number 2. Refer to this image and answer the question, and this is what is the image. Look at this image properly. YKP YouTube की पढ़ाई ये live चल रहा है बच्चा. And the question is, which settlement has both temporary and permanent huts? A. settlement A, B, settlement B, C, settlement C, D, settlement D. So observe this, look at this image properly and answer. And the correct answer for this question is Arushi Shah. I understand it's very difficult to understand from this black and white image, but this is what was the best I could get. So you will have to zoom in and then answer. The correct answer is D, settlement D. In the square grid 5326, the symbols indicate that settlement has both temporary and permanent huts. I do understand you can identify the type of settlement by its color. Okay, so we go to the next question, number 3. Refer to the image and answer the question. Now, this is what is the image? And the question is, what is the predominant occupation practiced in the section given below? So, which is the predominant occupation practiced in the section given below? And your options are A, agriculture, B, forestry, C, fishing, D, lumbering. So what do you find is the predominant occupation that is practiced in the section given below that you can see in the image? And the correct answer for this question is A, agriculture. The area has large tracts of cultivated land, indicating agriculture as the predominant agriculture. Yes, YouTube ki padhai, definitely we will try to do something for the CBSE syllabus also. Okay. Yes, YouTube ki padhai, definitely will try to help you out with CBSE English. But since we have taken up the project of ICSE 10th standard right now we are focusing on ICSE because ICSE ke liye channels come here. Okay. But definitely we can help you out. We'll try our level best. Question number 4. Refer to the image and answer the question that follows. And this is what is the image. So look at this image for question number 4 and answer the question. What does the symbol X in the grid square 5324 indicate? So what does the symbol X in the grid square 5324 indicate? And your options are A, mine, B, fort, C, deserted hut, D, antiquity. So what does the symbol X in the grid square 5324 indicate? Come on, answer. And the correct answer for this question is deserted hut. It's C. The symbol X in the grid square 5324 indicates it's a deserted hut. We go to the next question, number 5. Refer to the image and answer the question that follows. So this is what is the image. Look at the image properly, carefully. आप zoom करके देखिएगा if you're watching it from your mobile. Question is, which settlement has a power line adjacent to it? A. Settlement A. B. Settlement B. C. Settlement C. D. Settlement D. So which settlement has a power line adjacent to it? And the correct answer for this question is A. Settlement A. So power line is passing through grid square 5226, which is nearest to the settlement A. Now, going ahead with it, question number 6. Refer to the image and answer the question that follows. This is the image. Have a look at this image. Look at it carefully. Zoom karo or dekhna please. And the question is, what indicated the direction of the flow of the main river westwards? And your options are A. Decreasing spot heights, B. Arrow on the riverbed, C. Only A, D. Both A and B. So what should be the answer for question number 6? What indicates the direction of the flow of the main river westwards? And the correct answer for this question is D, both A and B. The decreasing spot heights on the riverbed indicates the direction of flow of river westwards, as well as the arrow on the riverbed. Question number 7. Refer to the image and answer the question that follows. So again, hi Mayank, hi Dhruv. बच्चा डिनर हो गया आपका? डिनर करते करते भी आप देख सकते हो, सुन सकते हो, not a problem. I can understand the pressure. Where are you from, Mayank and Dhruv? Dhruv, I got to know you're from Bangalore. From where are you, Mayank? And Pathan Gaming. Hello, बच्चा. आप कहाँ से हो, पठान गेमिंग? खाना हो गया आपका? Okay, so refer to this image properly, and this is what is the question. What is the predominant mode of wells in the area depicted in the given square? Oh, Arushisha is asking, what about you? Well, I didn't have my dinner yet. First comes the studies and then comes the dinner. मयंक राज, आप मस्त मस्त यहाँ पर खाने का मेनू लिख रहे हो, नान एंड बटर पनीर। बाप रे, भूख लग जाएगी तो सेशन छोड़ दूंगी यहाँ पर मैं, फिर कैसा होगा रिवीजन? हाँ, टेम्प्ट कर रहे हो आप मुझे? हाँ। So okay, what is the predominant mode of wells in the area depicted in the given square? A. Natural tanks. B. Unlined wells. C. Perennial lined wells. D. Tube well. Come on. Come on, answer me for this question. Look at this image carefully and answer. I know this is the best of that what I could get, because ये सब टाइप करना, ड्रॉ करना बहुत बहुत टफ हो जाता है। ड्रॉ किया हुआ एक्चुअली स्कैन करके यहाँ पर लोड करना becomes very difficult. So tell me, what should be the answer? Dhruv, Girish, yes, we can expect such questions also. So the correct answer for this question is C. Correct hai Arushi Shah and Mayank Raj. Perfect answer. The answer is perennial lined well is the predominant mode of irrigation that is depicted in this particular image. Going ahead with question number 8. Refer to the image and answer the question that follows. So this is what is the image. Which mode of transport passes through settlement A? So options are A. Cart tracks, B. Metalled roads, C. Unmetalled roads, D. Railway line. मयंक राज बोल रहे पहले पेट पूजा बाद में कोई काम दूजा। वाह वाह, वेरी गुड मयंक। दुनिया में दो तरीके के लोग होते हैं। एक जो पैदा होते खाने के लिए, जीने के लिए खाते, और दूसरे खाने के लिए जीते। मैं भी आपकी कैटेगरी में हूं। So what should be the answer? What is the mode of transport that passes through settlement A? Come on, answer me for this question. The correct answer for this question is D. We find the railway line which passes through settlement A. See, railway line passes through the square 5125, observe, which is nearest to the settlement A. Okay, so the answer for this question is D. We go ahead with question number 9. Refer to the image and answer the question. So look at this image properly. Question number 9 is asking you, what is the general slope of the land? What is the general slope of the land? And your options are A. Northeastward, B. Southeastward, C. Northwestward, D. Southwestward. Look at the image and then answer what is the general slope of the land. Yendrix, hello, hi. Yes, Mayank Raj, justice for the foodies. So what is the general slope of the land? And the correct answer for this question is D. Southwestward. The general slope of the land is southwestward. So question number 9. The first one to answer was Arushi Shah. Perfect. Very good, Kavya. Yes, Dhruv, correct. Jatinder Singh, बच्चा आप गलत गए हो. Mayank Raj, correct. ना जतिंदर, आंसर डी है बच्चा. आप ठीक से देखिएगा इमेज को. Yes, Hendrix, you're right. It's D. We go to the next question number 10. Refer to the image and answer the question that follows. Okay, so look at this particular image properly and answer the question. In which grid square do you observe the highest area in the section that's given below? Look at the image carefully. In which grid square do you observe the highest area in the section given below? A. 5528, B. 5428, C. 5529, D. 5429. So in which grid square do you observe the highest area? Come on, answer. Yes, Shazim, wherever possible, we are definitely explaining up the answers. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is B, 5428. Okay, so in this grid square 5428, you observe the highest area in the section. So the answer for question number 10 is B. Now question number 11, study the image given and answer the question. So look at this image given, read it carefully, look at all the symbols that have been used, and the question is, which season is being depicted in this diagram? A. Advancing monsoon season, B. Retreating monsoon season, C. Summer season, D. Winter season. Come on. Look at this properly and answer. Which season is being depicted in the diagram? And the correct answer for this question is A. It's advancing monsoon season. Correct Arushi Shah, correct Mayank Raj, correct Kavya. See, the direction of the wind is southward to northward, and this indicates the advancing monsoon season. Jatinder, बच्चा आपको आंसर समझ में आ गया? And somebody had asked for the explanation. कौन था? I forgot the name. Shazim. Shazim, आप सुन रहे हो? Are you there? So you have got the answer here. The direction of the wind is southward to northward, and this indicates advancing monsoon season. Mayank Raj is always right. Okay, good confidence. But don't be overconfident also. Study the image and answer the question. Now look at this image properly. See the direction of the arrowheads which have been used here. And the question is, in which months do they blow? A. December, January, February. B. March, April, May. C. June, July, August, September. D. October and November. So answer this question. In which months do they blow? And the correct answer for this question is C. So Jatinder Singh, Arushi Shah, Dhruv Girish, Mayank Raj. Correct answer June, July, August, September. See, the Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon winds blow in the months of June, July, August, and September. Now, question number 13. The Coromandel coast gets winter rainfall from the dash. A. Western disturbances. B. Westerly depressions. C. Southwest monsoon. D. Northeast monsoon. Mayank Raj wants to know who is the teacher of English literature. Mayank Raj, it was me and my colleague Smita, and there was one more called as Alexa. Why are you so interested in knowing about the English literature teacher? बोलो मयंक राज, आप बहुत बार ये क्वेश्चन पूछ चुके हो. Now I'm also curious to know कि why do you want to know? Okay, and your time starts now. So come on. The Coromandel coast gets winter rainfall from dash. Classic entertainments. Okay. Yeah, Hendrix, you're correct. He's just enthusiastic. And the correct answer for Coromandel coast gets winter rainfall from the northeast monsoon. Now, coming to the next question, number 14. Cherrapunji gets heavy rainfall during June, July from the dash. A. The Arabian Sea branch of the southwest monsoon. B. The Bay of Bengal branch of the southwest monsoon. C. Easterly jet stream. D. Western disturbances. Dhruv Girish is asking, will we be having computer revisions? If our computer teacher is available, we shall try. Okay. So, Cherrapunji gets heavy rainfall during June, July from dash. The time starts now. And the correct answer for question number 14. Why Cherrapunji gets heavy rainfall during June, July? And the correct answer for this question is B. The Bay of Bengal branch of the southwest monsoon. Hendrix wants to know what are the subjects do you teach in this channel? We are teaching up almost all the subjects of 10th standard ICSE. Okay. We have also been doing CBSE, State Board, 11th and 12th standard for few subjects. Okay. We go to the next question, number 15. Mumbai is not so hot even in the month of May. Which of the following factors is responsible for this phenomena? A. Influence of the sea. B. Altitude. C. Latitudinal extent. D. None of the above. Mumbai is not so hot even in the month of May. Which of the following factors is responsible for this phenomena? So answer me for question number 15. And the correct answer for this question is A. Influence of the sea. Mumbai is not so hot even in the month of May because of the influence of the sea. The cooling effect of the sea keeps the temperature low. So Chandan Pratap Singh, aap sahi ho. Classic Entertainment, you're right. Arushi Shah, you're right. Dhruv Girish, you're right. Perfect answer. Now we go ahead with question number 16. Which of the following areas is situated in the rain shadow region of mountain ranges? And your options are A. Western coastal plain, B. Trans Himalayas, C. Southern slopes of the Garo, Khasi and Jaintia hills, D. None of the above. So what should be the answer for question number 16? And your time starts now. I request to the students, please write the question number and then write the option so that I get to know अगर आप आंसर सही भी दे रहे हो गलत भी दे रहे हो तो I can understand that. जाते जाते लाइक्स भी देना बच्चों इतना हम काम कर रहे हैं आपके लिए तो we definitely wait for your positive comments, okay? And okay, the answer for this question is B. Remember, the Himalayas are divided into four mountain ranges: the Shivalik Hills in the south, the lower Himalayan range in the middle, the Great Himalayas in the north, and the Tibetan Himalayas in the south. The Trans Himalayas mountain region, which is also known as the Tibet Himalayan region, is situated to the north of the Great Himalayas and includes the mountain ranges of Karakoram, Ladakh, Jaskar, and Kailash. The Karakoram range is also known as the backbone of High Asia. Since Tibet contains the majority of these ranges, it is also known as the Tibet Himalayan region. Question number 17. Mussoorie experiences lower temperature than Agra. Which of the following reasons is responsible for this phenomena? A. Altitude. B. Distance from the sea. C. Latitudinal extent. D. None of the above. So, Mussoorie experiences lower temperature than Agra. Which of the following reasons is responsible for this phenomena? A. Altitude. B. Distance from the sea. C. Latitudinal extent. D. None of the above. And your time starts now. And the correct answer for this question is A. Altitude. Mussoorie is located at a higher altitude than Agra and hence it is cooler than Agra. So, Chandan Pratap Singh, Mayank Raj, Dhruv Girish, Kavya, Arushi Shah, Abhishek Baghel, you all are right. Perfect. Very good. We go ahead with question number 18. dash blow south of the Himalayas through the year except in summer? A. Hot air. B. Jet streams. C. Cool air. D. Normal winds. And your time starts now. And the correct answer for this question is B. Jet streams blow south of the Himalayas through the year except in summer. Okay, so 18th question number 18th answer is B. That's correct answer. Abhishek Baghel, Dhruv Girish, Om Prakash Dubey, Mayank Raj. Perfect answer. Now, question number 19. An example of an area affected by erosion is dash. A. Tumble ravines. B. Northern plains. C. Coastal plains. D. Deccan. So an example of an area affected by erosion. And your time starts now. Come on, answer me for question number 19. And the correct answer for this question is A. So question number 19, your answer is A. Remember, badland topography is a major feature of the Chambal Valley and it is characterized by an undulating floodplain, gullies, and ravines. Ravines are a type of fluvial erosional feature and are formed as a result of constant vertical erosion by streams and rivers flowing over semi-arid and arid regions. Now, going ahead with question number 20, soil erosion in the northeastern India is a result of dash. I repeat, soil erosion in northeastern India is a result of dash. A. Deforestation. B. Shifting agriculture. C. Heavy rainfall. D. All of the above. Yes, Mayank Raj, you want to know whether I'm a non-vegetarian. Well, I'm a hardcore vegetarian. That's the reason आप मुर्गा विर्गा यहाँ पर दिखा रहे हो मुझे अजीब लग रहा है मुझे लग रहा है वो जगाने के लिए आया है मुझे कुकड़ों कू करके अच्छा मैं वेजिटेरियन हूँ बोला तो बाय बाय अब आगे नहीं पढ़ना है हाय संदीप शर्मा time starts now बोलो soil erosion in the northeastern India is a result of dash. Good night. All the best for Mayank Raj. Hi, Kanak Kapil. So bad, Mayank. Keep revising. Ruko, pado. Hi, Zaina. And the correct answer for this question is D. इतना कुछ पेट पूजा करोगे तो you will feel sleepy. Now, what obvious है, Mayank? So, soil erosion is a natural process in which the topsoil of a field is carried away by physical sources such as wind and water. Hi, Om Prakash Dubey. Hi, bacha. Question number 21. Dash is not a method of soil conservation. Hi, Sandeep Sharma. सबको हाय जो भी बच्चे हैं हाय बच्चों Hi, Kanak. Dash is not a method of soil conservation, and your options are A. Zooming, B. Planting shelter belts, C. Constructing dams, D. Contour bunding. This question is repeated. I guess this was there in the first paper that we had solved, or maybe the second paper that we had solved. So आपको अभी आंसर आना चाहिए. And here starts your timer. एंड जो भी अभी जल्दी सोने जा रहे कल सुबह उठकर वीडियोस ये जरूर सुनना ऑन द वे टू योर स्कूल्स व्हाइल यू गो फॉर राइटिंग योर एग्जाम्स. कान में ईयर प्लग्स डालकर ये वीडियो सुनते रहना, जाते जाते रिवाइज करना. And the correct answer for this question is A. Zooming. Zooming is not a method of soil conservation, but it's a method of cultivation. Okay. So Dhruv Girish, Om Prakash Dubey, Kanak, Arushi Shah, Zaina, आप सब सही हो. But question number लिखिएगा ना बच्चों please. Question number 22. Soils of northern plains are dash. A. In situ, B. Sedentary, C. Residual, D. None of the above. Soils of northern plains are dash. And your time starts now. And the correct answer for this question number 22 is, come on, bachcho, answer do. None of the above. The northern plains have intense deposits of alluvial soil. Alluvial soil contains amounts of lime, potash, and phosphorus. Alluvial soil helps in the growth of crops such as paddy, sugarcane, wheat, rice, maize, and other pulses. Alluvial soils are the deposits or materials from rivers. Okay. Now, going to the next question, number 23. The All India Soil Survey Committee has classified the soils on the basis of dash. A. Origin, B. Location, C. Composition, D. All of the above. So, the All India Soil Survey Committee has classified the soils on the basis of dash. Answer me for question number 23 and your time starts now. Answer me for question number 23. So the correct answer for this question is D. The All India Soil Survey Committee has classified the soils on all of these bases. Remember, on the basis of genesis, that is formation, color, composition, and location, the soils of India have been classified into first alluvial soils, second black soils, third red and yellow soils, fourth laterite soils, fifth arid soils, sixth saline soils, seventh peaty soils, and eighth forest soils. Now going ahead with question number 24. A soil which has the property of valuable building material as it hardens like iron when exposed to air is dash. A. Laterite, B. Red, C. Black, D. Alluvial. Kanak Kapil, you were right in answering question number 23. Kavya, Zaina, Arushi, correct hai bacha. Now your answer for question number 24 is expected. Hi Abhinav. And the question number 24 answer. The soil which has the property of valuable building material as it hardens like iron when exposed to air is laterite soil. Remember, laterite soil is commonly used as road pavement material to provide a better sub-base, gravel for roads and base materials. It's also good material for embankment and construction. Now, question number 25. Dash is the chemical characteristic of laterite soil. A. Acidic. B. Porous. C. Friable. D. Coarse. So, which is the chemical characteristic of laterite soil? And your time starts now. And the correct answer for this question is A. Acidic. Acidic is a chemical characteristic of laterite soil. So many of the students have got it right. Delia right, Jatinder Singh correct, Kavya correct. Laterite, that is a soil layer that is rich in iron oxide and is derived from a wide variety of rocks weathering under strongly oxidizing and leaching conditions. It forms in tropical and subtropical regions where the climate is humid. As it is acidic in nature, it is not suitable for agriculture. So keep this in mind. Yes, Jatinder, we are speeding up. Question number 26. Rigor is a term associated with dash. A. Black soil. B. Red soil. C. Laterite soil. D. Alluvial soil. Hi, dashing gamers. And your time starts now. Rigor is a term associated with dash. The answer itself is quite evident because you get the hint. And the correct answer for this question is black soil. See, black soil is called as a rigor soil because this soil is typical of the Deccan Tract region spread over Deccan Plateau and is made up of lava flows, and it is very good soil to grow cotton. Please keep this in mind. So rigor is a term associated with laterite soil. Yes, Angaraj Goswami, you're right. Question number 27. Choose the odd one out. And your options are A. Alpine, B. Littoral, C. Mangrove, D. Tidal. And your time starts now. So find out the odd one out. And the correct answer for this question, the odd one out here, would be A, that is alpine. Because alpines are mountains and the alpine plants are those that grow at higher elevations. Going ahead with question number 28. Large areas of tropical deciduous forests have been cleared for dash. A. Industries. B. Cultivation. C. Multi-purpose projects. D. Constructing roads. And your time starts now. So large areas of tropical deciduous forests have been cleared for dash. And the correct answer for this question is B, cultivation. So large areas of tropical deciduous forests have been cleared for cultivation. We go ahead to question number 29. Trees which do not have much use. A. Agar-agar. B. Keora. C. Mahua. D. Cacti. So which do not have much use. And your time starts now. And the correct answer for this question number 29 is D, cacti. So cacti do not have much use. Okay. Going ahead with question number 30. Dash forests are mixed forests. A. Deciduous. B. Semi-arid. C. Arid forests. D. Mountain forests. And your time starts now. Tell me which are the forests which can be called as the mixed forests. And the correct answer for this question would be D, mountain forests. See, dense hardwood mixed forests of deciduous and coniferous trees are found in mountain forests. Keep this in mind. Going ahead to question number 31. Sundari tree is used to make dash. A. Musical instruments. B. Boats. C. Packing cases. D. Matchboxes. And your time starts now. So, Sundari tree, a typical feature of the Sundarbans. The correct answer for this question is B. Boats. Sundari tree is used to make boats. Remember, the Sundari is the dominant mangrove tree species of the Sundarbans of India as well as Bangladesh. We go to the next question, number 32. In India, indiscriminate felling of trees is taking place due to increased dash. And your options are A. Urbanization. B. Population explosion. C. Agriculture. D. All of the above. So in India, indiscriminate felling of the trees is taking place due to increased dash. And your time starts now. And the correct answer for this question is D, all of the above. Quite an easier question to answer, right? We go ahead with question number 33. An NGO's approach to save trees, that is the Chipko movement, gained momentum under the leadership of Dash. A. Medha Patkar, B. Sundarlal Bahuguna, C. Anna Hazare, D. Maneka Gandhi. But dashing gamers, urbanization is nothing but a settlement which gets converted into cities. जब आप रूरल कहते हो तो गांव जैसा होना, अर्बन कहते हो तो सिटी बनने के लिए जो भी होता है उसे हम कहते हैं अर्बन. Okay, that is in short what is meant by urbanization. And your time starts now. Tell me an NGO's approach to save trees. The Chipko movement had gained momentum under the leadership of Dash. शहर बसाना is urbanization. Okay, अब उसमें roads बनाए जाएंगे. Come on, answer me for question number 33. The correct answer is Sundarlal Bahuguna. The Chipko movement followed Gandhian philosophy of peaceful resistance and was an uprising against the people destroying ecological balance. Gandhian activist Sundarlal Bahuguna gave a direction to the movement and his appeal to Indira Gandhi, the then Prime Minister of India, which resulted in the ban of cutting the trees. Now, question number 34. Traditional modes of irrigation are practiced in India because dash. A. They are cheap. B. The control is in the hands of the farmer. C. They are available abundantly. D. All of the above. So the traditional modes of irrigation are practiced in India because dash. And your time starts now. And the correct answer for this question is all of the above. See, the traditional methods of irrigation include the check basin method, the furrow irrigation method, the strip irrigation method, and the basin irrigation method. So, all of these are practiced in India for about reasons. Going ahead to question number 35. Canal irrigation is not much prominent in the northeast because dash. A. They have other mode of irrigation. B. Terrain is hilly. C. Agriculture is not much developed there. D. Forestry is a major occupation here. So answer me for this question number 35. Canal irrigation is not much prominent in the northeast because, and your time starts now. And the correct answer for this question is B. Canal irrigation is not much prominent in the northeast because B, that is the terrain is hilly. See, a canal is an artificial channel that is constructed to carry water to the fields to perform irrigation. The water is taken either from the river, tank, or reservoirs. The canals can be constructed either by means of concrete, stone, brick, or any sort of flexible membrane which solves the durability issues like seepage and erosion. Now, question number 36. Why is canal irrigation more popular in the northern plains? A. The rivers are perennial as they are fed by the melting snow. B. The surface of the land is almost flat. C. The demand for irrigation is very great in North India as a variety of crops are grown. D. All of the above. I knew you will have this question in the mind, and this is the reason why this question has been framed. So you will get to know the answer for why. So Sandeep Sharma, Sankalita, please just wait and listen. Why is canal irrigation more popular in the northern plains? And your time starts now. And the correct answer for this question is D, all of the above. See, canals cover 27.5% of total irrigation by irrigation. Uttar Pradesh is the maximum portion of the total irrigated area of the country by canals. Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, and Bihar are other important states where irrigation is carried out by canals. अच्छा आप भी ना सोने जा रहे हो गुड नाइट बच्चा कल जाते जाते आज का वीडियो सुन लेना हाँ प्लेलिस्ट में मिलेगा आपको now going ahead question number 37 Dash has the largest area under canal irrigation hi Mehak it's okay dashing I can understand there may be technical glitches. Even there are technical issues at our end. So I certainly understand you. No issues, Pacha. Don't worry. Okay. Question number 37. Dash has the largest area under canal irrigation. And your options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Punjab, C. Haryana, D. Kerala. And your time starts now. And the correct answer for the question number 37, Dash is the largest area under canal irrigation, is Uttar Pradesh. अभी अभी इससे पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में मैंने आपको हिंट दी थी, so it should be easier for you to answer. महक सिंह आप सही हो बच्चा. Now question number 38. The method of rainwater harvesting shown here is dash. I know the picture is really not of the good quality, but I want you to know because your paper may also have such kind of images. So आपको train कराने के purpose से ही ऐसे का ऐसा उठाया हुआ है. And your options are A. Recharge pit, B. Recharge trench, C. Rooftop rainwater harvesting, D. Contour bunds. So watch this image and tell me which is this method of rainwater harvesting that's been shown here. And your time starts now. Come on, answer. And the answer is B. It is a recharge trench. It is a trench that is excavated on the ground and refilled with porous media like the pebbles, the boulder, or the brickbats. It is usually made for harvesting the surface runoff. Now we go to question number 39. The picture shown here is a check dam. Which one of the following benefits is not provided by this method? So आप देख लेना. Acha. SK Gaming official is asking me about the Chipko movement. But the Chipko movement was nothing but when the localites there literally where what you can say वो चिपक गए trees को. They literally had gathered and they had what you can say they hugged up the trees and did not allow the people who wanted to cut down the trees. वो चिपक गए वो पेड़ को, इसीलिए उस movement को कहा गया था चिपको movement. So getting back to question number 39, look at the picture that is shown, that of a check dam, and answer which one of the following benefits is not provided by this method. And your options are A. Increasing groundwater level, B. Controlling the floods, C. Reducing the soil erosion, D. Fishing activity. So which of the following benefits is not provided by this check dam method? And your time starts. Think over it and answer. And the correct answer is fishing activity. See, fishing activity is not a benefit provided by this check dam method. A check dam is a small, occasionally temporary dam constructed across a swale or a drainage ditch or waterway to counteract erosion by dropping the water flow velocity. A check dam placed in the ditch or the swale or channel interrupts the flow of water and flattens the gradient of the channel, thus decreasing the velocity. Now, question number 40. Tube wells dash. Look at the image. A. Occupy a small area. B. Occupy a large area. C. Cause pollution. D. Irrigate a small area. Come on, answer. Tube wells. This is so. What should be the answer for this question? The answer is the tube wells are so important because they occupy a small area. Remember, a tube well is a very deep bore, over 15 meters. It is dug and water is lifted with the help of a pumping set operated by electricity. Tube wells are very useful during periods of drought when a surface well dries up because not dependent on failures of rain. Okay, so this is the answer. Now, बच्चे लोग, this was the third paper that we have solved. Okay, third practice session that we have taken. We had planned for 8 papers and we are still going on. I do understand it's a night time and perhaps you might be feeling sleepy. So, as much as possible, we would definitely be doing it. Prem Sahu, we have already done this question, which irrigation method is found in North India. Okay, so बच्चा आप अभी फिर से वीडियो सुनना. I guess deep boring is nothing but entering deep into the soil so that you touch the groundwater. Okay, that is what is it. Arushi Shah is requesting, I know it's late, but can you please read the geography chapters? अच्छा देखो क्या बच्चे हैं, मतलब ये कान में ईयर प्लग्स डालेंगे और सुनते सुनते सो जाएंगे so that they don't have to read it. Well, Arushi, I can definitely take your request. If that's going to help my children, I will do that as well for you. Which chapters do you want me to read for you? Can you please tell me? Which chapter? Which chapter do you want me to read? Prem Sahu, that's done, beta. It's done in one of the papers. We have already solved. So please go through the videos that we have done. There are many more questions that will help you. इसीलिए मैं आपको आंसर यहाँ नहीं बता रही. Okay. So now, which chapter do you want me to read out for you? Prem Sahu, we are going to do these questions also. Okay. Okay. So now, आज नींद नहीं आएगी ना. ओके, तो मैं अभी पढ़ने वाली हूँ चैप्टर्स आपके लिए, तो आप प्लीज हैंग ऑन होना चैनल को. आई एम नॉट कंपेलिंग एनीबॉडी. ओके, बट जिनको पढ़ना बोर हो रहा है और सुनना पॉसिबल है, उन बच्चों के लिए डेफिनेटली आई शैल बी डूइंग इट. अच्छा, वाटर रिसोर्सेज चैप्टर पहले पढ़ूं. कोई भी चैप्टर ठीक है, हम लोग पढ़ते ही जाएंगे. पर ऐसा नहीं हो कि मैं पढ़ रही हूँ और आप वहां मस्त सो रहे हो सुमड़ी में. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. हाँ बच्चा, ये तो मुझे तकलीफ हो जाएगी. ओके, सो सी यू exactly at 11:15, maybe earlier. Please hang on to the channel. Okay, so hang on to this channel. Please hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and see you again. Okay, so see you as soon as possible. सब 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 पढ़ने की कोशिश करूंगी आपके लिए, कुछ भी.